Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about our service, school and college ERP software. Benefits of school management software, time-saving automation, improved communication, enhanced data management, increased efficiency, better decision-making, reduced paperwork, improved security, cloud-based accessibility. This is the login page of our school management software. After login, this is the dashboard page of our software. This is the front page of class. We are discussing about class and figure and number of subjects are mentioned. Here you have to add class name and class description, then click submit button to find the details of entire classes of the school. In section you can edit or delete the action, just you have to select class and section name and click update. In this section click class name option to choose class, and in subject name option write subject name and then click submit. Subjects will be generated. In this section click class name option to choose class and subject option to choose subject and provide maximum marks in theory and practical. Then click submit option. List will be generated. In this section click class name option and then click submit. Respective data will show in the list. Click class option, select class and put the amount of respective blank boxes. After that click submit button. Admission open database will be created. Add heading name, category name, price, then click submit button. Information are getting updated here. Write type name, then click submit button. Expenses types are getting updated here. Add co-curricular activities name, then click submit button. List of co-curricular informations are updated. This list is for employees. Add department name like principal, PGT, PPRT, guest teacher, librarian, accountant, etc. Then select category, select shift start time, select shift end time, then click submit. List of department information are updated. This list is for employees. Add wages head like basic pay, grade pay, dearness allowances, HRA, special allowance, then click submit. List of wages head are updated. This list is for employees. Add leave type, select category, then enter number of leaves, then click submit. List of leaves type of data will be generated. In a particular month, if a holiday falls on respective date, just write or name of holiday then click save. On that day holiday will be saved. Add period from the given option, select class, then give start time and end time, click submit. List period will be saved. This list is for employees. In case anyone leaves, then mention reason of your leaves, then click submit button. List of periods will be saved. This list is for employees. Select employee category like principal or other employees. In percent category, how much percentage of salary increment will be happen. That data will be put there. Then mention reason of your leaves. List will be updated. In group name category write bio lab instrument, chemistry lab instruments, furniture and fixture, IT materials, physics lab instruments, sports material, then click submit. List will be updated. In group select category like bio lab instrument, chemistry lab instruments, furniture and fixture, then put depreciation percent, click submit. List will be updated. In member type, add employee or student, put value on maximum book allowance, book due days, click submit. List will be updated. Add publisher name, click submit. List will be updated. Add author name, click submit. list will be updated. This list is for students. Under class attendance, click Add attendance, then give data on session, give date, mention class, mention section. After that, click Mark attendance. Student attendance database will open containing session, class, section, date, roll number, name of the student, status, and day. This list is for students. Under class attendance, click List attendance, then give data on session, give date from, give date to, mention class, mention section. After that, click Search. Here you will see on a particular date, class, section, number of students present and absent list will show. This list is for students. In book library, enter book accession number, enter book title, select area, select rack, select shelf, select subject, write author name, enter year or edition, select publisher, enter year of publish, enter book price, enter quantity, write purchase date, then click submit. List of books have been saved in book library. Add session, select member type, select name, write return due date, then write the name of book title, write number of quantity. After that, click submit. List circulation has been saved under book circulation. This list is for students. In curricular activities, click Add group, write session, write class, mention group, then click submit. Click Add certificate, write session, write class, select section, select group, select student, select house, mention activity date and activity type, then click submit. Under curricular winner list, write session, write class, select group, select student, select curricular name, then click result. Click list certificate, write session, select class, select section, select student, create date from and to, select curricular name, select curricular type, then click search. List will be updated where name of the students, their classes, curricular name, curricular position, and curricular date who are declared winners are mentioned in the list here. Click Add bona fide certificate, add session, select class, select student, select date of birth, click submit. Students' bona fide list is displayed. Those student parents who are serving in railways and army, for them they need to fill here, add session, add class, select section, select student, click date, then click submit. List of students will be displayed here. Add character certificate, select class, select student, write date of birth, put CBSE essay result in percentage, then click submit. List of students' name will be displayed here. Study certificate is required to verify that a student has studied there. For that, click session, add class, select student, write place of birth, write studying from, then click submit. In conduct certificate, add session, select from class, select to class, select student, type parent name, mention date, click submit. In conduct certificate, ID, name of the students, academic session, class and date appeared on the list. This is for admission session for the students. In add check category, click date, write amount, write check number, write bank name, write branch, click session, write class, select student, write phone number, write father's name, select deposit in which amount, then click submit. In list check category, click session, select class, select student name, select from date, select to date, click search, ID, date, student's name, father name, mobile number, class, amount, check number, bank, branch, deposit account number, clearing date, list will be appeared here. This is for employees. In add employee category, add first name, add last name, type employee ID, casual leave, earned leave, type date of birth, select blood group, PF number, select department, write email, UN number, type mobile number, browse employee photo, write father or husband name, write Aadhaar card number, browse employee signature, type PAN details, click date of joining, click salary start date, mention address, write bank name, bank IFSC, account number, then click submit. In list employees category, type first name, type last name, type email, write mobile number, then click search, list of ID, employee's name, their email, mobile number, date of birth, address will show in this list. For employees' late arrival, select employee name, click attendance date, type in time, then click submit. Pending leaves refers to leave requests that an employee has submitted but have not yet been approved or rejected by their manager. Here list of employees whose pending leaves are shown here. For employees, attendance refers to act of being present at one's workplace during scheduled work hours. Select employee name, type attendance date, select in time, select out time, click submit, list of employee name, their mobile number, attended date, in time and out time displays here. Select class, select section, select subject, click submit, examinations marks list of students will be showed here. Click add course scholastic marks, select class, select section, select subject, click submit, students marks of half-yearly and grade list will be showed here. In add course scholastic marks, add to date, select class, select section, write class teacher name, write total working days, then click submit, student's name, discipline grade, total working days, total attendance will be showed here. In student grade, click session, click class, select section, click submit, student name appears on the list along with art and music education, select section accordingly. To edit physical measurement, select class, select section, click submit, roll number, student name, height and weight. Here you can edit height and weight of a particular student. In download student marks page, select exam term, select class, select section, select subject, then click download button. In list student marks, select class, select section, select subject, select student, select term, then click search button, name of student, date of birth, teacher name, exam term, session, class, section, subject, grade display here. To add examination certificate, select class, select section, select exam date, click submit button. In certificate list, select class, select section, select student, select term, click search button, name of the student, date of birth, exam term, session, class, section, lists are displayed here. For student marks show or hide option, select exam term, select class, select section. After selecting section, input and enable, disable list shows here. One can select option according to your preference, then click submit button. Consolidated sheet means a comprehensive document that summarizes a student's academic performance. Select exam term, select class, select section, then click search or download option. In result analysis, select class, select section, then click search or download button. In merit list, select exam term, select class, then click search or download button. In report card, select class, select section, select student, select term, then click search button. Student's name, their IDs, date of birth, exam term, session, class, section list appears here. In subject-wise toppers, select exam term, select class, click download button. In feedback list, employees can fill their feedback here, month, end date, added by, added on, and action. In action, 3 options are available: responses, edit and delete. This is for employees. Under inventory, add invoice option will come. In add invoice, here you can add invoice date, invoice number, select supplier name, select category name, put invoice amount. For invoice copy, select browse, write supplier details. Below it, invoice items is written. Select item name, put quantity data, put amount purchase price, put amount on purchase total, give amount on sale price, put value on sale total. Click submit this invoice below it, then click save as draft button. In list invoices, select supplier name, write supplier details, put invoice number, put invoice name from and to, then click search button. Below it, ID, invoice number, date, amount, supplier name, supplier details, invoice file, status, and action appears. In add consumption, mention date, select item name, put quantity value, mention consumption date, select department. Below it, click submit this invoice, select save as draft button. In list consumption, select consumption date from and to, then select search button, serial number, consumption ID, entry date, and action will appear. In consumption report, click download option, item name, consumption date, quantity, department name will appear here. In add notice, write notice subject, write notice number, select notice end date, click browse to upload file, right hand side, notice applicable for select any options to find class. In list notices, select create date from and to, notice title, notice number, click search button. Below it, ID, notice number, notice title, end date appears. In add notice for employee, mention title, write description, enter notice end date, select send to, click submit button. After clicking submit button, in the right hand side, ID, title, description, delivery date, notice end date, send to, action, shows here. This is for students. Select class, select section, choose subject, write sub-subject, write chapter name, write topic name, click browse to upload file, then click submit. In list questions, select class option and click search button. The list will generated containing date, class, section, subject, sub-subject, chapter, topic, teacher, attachment, action will show. This is for students. In monthly fee payment, write admission number, select class, select student, student name appears. Below it by scrolling down you will see tuition fees to be collected. Right hand of the screen, you will see by selecting student name, profile, tuition fee, computer fee, transport fee, hostel fee, annual fee, other fees, receipts option will show. This is for students. In bulk payment, select category, select month. In payment details, give value in total amount. Click submit button. Student's ID, name of student, tuition fee, transport, hostel, computer, annual lists are generated here. This is for students. In pending payment receipts, ID, session, category, month, added on, added by, amount, paid, in amount value, outstanding amount are showing here, due date is over but not yet paid. This is for students, under payment receipts category, below it list receipts options are there, select session, select class, select student, create date from and to, created by, select payment mode, receipt number, admission number, check number, then click search button, list of items containing above data are shown here. This is for employees, in add voucher, select payment date, give amount details, select purpose, select expense types, select payment mode, select bank, write check or receipt number, write bank name, bank branch, select employee, write employee mobile number, select save and print voucher, right side of window you may see assets or vehicles data entry form under it, assets data, fuel log, repair log will appear. This is for employees, in list vouchers, select purpose, select expenses types, select created by, select payment mode, choose payment date from and to, select employee, write voucher number, click search button, below it the list will appears containing ID, action, voucher number, date, approved date, amount, payment mode, purpose, expense type, employee, remarks. This is for employees, in salary release, select change month, click submit button, employee details, salary, leaves, advance, final salary taken, data of particular employee are shown here. Generally, cash book record is maintained by every organization. It is a financial record used to track all cash transactions, including money received, payments made, any deposits or withdrawals from bank. This is for employees, in cash book, select mode, create date from and to, then click search button. Below the screen you could see ID, mode, date, amount, from, remarks, balance lists will appear here. In bank book, customer keeps a record of the money added to and taken from a bank account. This is for employees, select bank name, select mode, select date from and to, then click search button. Below it you could see ID, mode, date, amount, from, bank name, remarks, balance, lists will appear here. Asset report is a document that provides details and data about the assets owned by an organization. This is for employees. Click red color download button towards right of the screen. Below it you can see group, items, date of purchases, vendor, quality, purchase value, depreciation, current value, lists will appear here. This is for students, in tuition fee status, select class, click search button. Below it, student's name, months, will appear, each individual student, the amount, paid and pending data will shows. In transport fee status, select class, click search button, below it student's name, months of the year will appear. This is for students, in hostel fee status, select class, click search button, below it you can see details of list of students' name, different months in a year are present. This is for students, in computer fees status, select class, click search button. This is for students, in statement of fees, select class, select students, select date from and to, click search button. This is for students, in statement of tuition fees category, select category, select students, select date from and to, click search button. This is for students, in all fees status, select class, click search button. This is for employees, in outstanding report, click search button. Particular class and its amount outstanding will shows in the list. This is for students, in outstanding student, write student admission number, click search button, below it you can see serial number, admission number, students, mobile number, outstanding amount, lists appear here. This is for students. In student report house-wise, select house, click search button. This is for students. In student report subject-wise, select class, select subject, select section, click search button. This is for students. In student report class and section-wise, select class, click search button. Below it you can see class and section, boys, girls, total data are available. This is for employees. In collection report, select receipt date from and to, click search button. Below it you can see in collection summary report, user, cash collection, check collection, online collection, total collection, cash expense, check expense, online expense, bank deposits, total expenses, balance, lists of data appears here. This is for employees. In expense report, click date from and to, click search button. This is for employees. In balance sheet, select date from and to, click search button. Below right hand side of screen, you will see income and amount column lists are appeared. This is for employees. In admission data reports, classes and sessions, lists are appeared. In classes column, total number of classes present in a school shows here. Under sessions, financial year shows. Under individual financial year, new and readmission column of students joined in that particular year. This is for students. In list students, select old session, select old class, select new session, select new class, click search button. Below it serial number, ID, name, gender, email, mobile, father name, mother name, guardian name list appears here. This is for employee. In lesson plan, write employee name, select date, click download button. Below it serial name, class, subject, sub-subject, chapter, added by, lists are appeared here. This is for employee. In lesson progress, write employee name, select from and to date, click search button. Below it serial name, class, subject, sub-subject, chapter, not taken, reason, topic covered, class task, home task, remarks, document, class attend by, date, lists are appeared here. In students, select session, click search button. Below it you can see the row of data are available containing class, boys, girls, total students, boys and girls general, boys and girls OBC, boys and girls SC, boys and girls ST, boys and girls SCBC. This is for employees. In attendance report, select class, select selection, select to date, click search button. This is for students. Put data on accession number, enter book title details, select class, select subject, select author, select publisher, click search button. Below it book stock report will appear, containing ID, accession number, book title, class, subject, publisher, author, area, rack, price, stock, will display. This is for students. Enter student's name, select member type, select issue date, select status, click search button. Book issue report will appear containing row of serial number, ID, accession number, book title, name of the student, class section, member type, issue date, due date, return date, lists will be present here. This is for students. In fine collection report, enter student name, select member type, select collection date, click search button. Below it you can find the details of serial number, issues ID, collection date, accession number, book title, member type, name of the student, damage, late fine, lists will appear. This is for students. In stock report, serial number, item ID, name, description, stock. This is for employees. In employee salary report, select session, click search button, lists will appear here. This is for employees. In school bus details, select route, then click search button, lists will appear here. This is for employees. In bus commuter, select class, write student first name, last name, select route, select gender, then click search button. Below it serial number, class, student name, gender, route, stop page, address, lists will appear. This is for students. In routine, select session, browse routine file, click search button. Below it serial number, session, routine, action, lists will be displayed. This is for students. In add student, write student admission number, select roll no, write first and last name, choose category, write Aadhaar number, select caste, select mother tongue, date of birth, gender, AR number, email, phone number, right hand side in document type attached document given, select class, choose admission date, select section, select subject 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, paid admission fee, composite fees, tuition fees, payment reference, select route, select stoppage, father income. Source, yearly income, mother name, mother contact number, mother income source, yearly income, guardian name, guardian relation, contact number, select house, click submit button. This is for students. In pending admission, select class, write student name, write email, select category, click search button. Below it you can see details of student ID, name, email, student type, class, session, admission fee, pending amount, tuition fee, transport fee, will shows. This is for students. In student list, select session, select class, select section, first and last name, mobile number, Aadhaar number, parent name, select category, admission number, select gender, click search button. Below it admission number, name of the student, class, date of birth, gender, mobile, father and mother name, address, created on, last edited by lists will appear. This is for students. To update students' roll number, select class, select section, click submit button. In discontinue students, select class, write student's name, select date from and to, click search button. Below it serial number, discontinue date, admission number, student name, class, session, lists will be generated. In pending admission receipts, click current session, select current class, select new session, select new class, click search button. Below it student ID, student name, email, mobile, type, father name, mother name, outstanding, lists will be displayed here. In fee configuration, select class, click search button. Below it student ID, student name, category, tuition fee, transport fee, hostel fee, computer fee, composite fee, lists will be displayed here. In list student by session and class, select class, write student name, write email, mobile number, Aadhaar, click search button. Below it student ID, name of the student, email ID, mobile number, class, session, admission fee, pending amount, tuition fee, transport fee, will be displayed here. This is for students. In student complaint, ID, student name, topic, description, date, action, students can register complaint here. In student other fees list, click session, select class, write student name, click search button. Below it you can see serial number, fee type, remarks, student name, fine amount, breakage date, collection, action, lists will display here. This is for students. In student check fine list, click session, select class, write student name. Below it you can see serial number, check details, student name, fine amount, date, collection, action, lists are displayed here. This is for students. In student outstanding list, click session, select class, write student name, click search button. Below it serial number, outstanding details, student name, fee amount, date, collection, action, lists are displayed here. This is for students. In advance payment lists, select session, select class, write student name, click search button. Below it serial number, payment details, student's name, fee amount, payment date, entry date, collection, action, lists are displayed here. This is for students. In list of transfer certificate student, select session, select class, select section, write first and last name, email, mobile, Aadhaar, parent name, select category, click search button, below it ID, name of student, date of birth, gender, email, mobile, father name, mother name, guardian details, category, created on, last edited by, lists are displayed here. This is for students. In school documents, write institute name, Odisha school number, CBSE affiliation number, telephone number, mobile number, email, website, short address, full address, click browse in institute logo, click browse in principal sign, click browse in CCA coordinator sign, click browse in CBSE logo, click submit button. Documents are saved here. This is for students. In syllabus, select session, select class, in syllabus file, click browse, select search button, below it details of serial number, session, class, syllabus, action, lists of data will show here. This is for students. In add transfer certificate, select class, select student name, select payment mode, right side of the screen fill up the details correctly, below it, click submit button, record has been saved here. This is for students. In transfer certificate, select class, write student name, student mobile number, student ID proof, click search button, below it serial number, student name, TC date, session, class, reason, general conduct, action, datas are saved here. This is for students. In timetable list, click add new button, below it serial number, class, section, created on, action, lists are generated here. This is for students. In timetable, click add new button, below it timetable chart will appear in column, days of the week are mentioned, in rows, number of period and its time duration are mentioned, and where rows and columns coincide with each other, subjects are mentioned. This is for employees. In a driver, enter driver name, enter contact number, click submit button, below it serial number, driver name, contact number, remark, lists will appear here. This is for employees. In add transport route, enter route name, select route status, select shift, write starting time, below it in stoppage details, serial number, stoppage name, add or remove, click submit button, lists will be displayed here. This is for employees. In list transport route, serial number, route name, status, route register date, action, inaction, edit, delete, download report options are available. This is for employees. In set route, select driver, select route, select vehicle, click update route. This is for employees. In daily route report, select date, select conductor, select route, select vehicle, click download report. This is for employees. In attendance report, select vehicle, click download report, select from and to date, select route, select stoppage, select conductor, select student, click download report. This is for employees. In add user, write first name, last name, email, mobile number, username, password, user type, user access, user status, click submit button, records are saved here. This is for employees. In add menu access, enter access name, various options are present, select options from the list. This is for employees. In login history, select user, choose from and to date, click search button, below it serial number, username, login time, logout time, datas which are saved will show here. This is for employees, in-add vehicles, enter vehicle number, give description, fitness valid from, fitness valid up to, pollution valid from, pollution valid up to, tax valid from, tax valid up to, permit valid from, permit valid up to, insurance valid from, insurance valid up to, insurance name, insurance amount, select assign driver, click submit button. This is for employees, in list vehicles, write registration number, click search button, below it ID, registration number, fitness, pollution, tax, permit, insurance, insurance company name, insurance amount, action, lists will appear here. This is for employees, in list vehicles repair works, write vehicle number, repair work, garage name, repair date from and to, click search button, record will saved here. This is for employees, in add vendor, enter vendor name, enter GST number, mobile number, address, click submit button, serial number, vendor name, GST number, mobile number, address, action, lists of the vendor will be updated here. Still thinking? Empowering school and college management through technology. Get a full 1-month trial of our software service. Providing services through online and offline across all cities in India. Affordable pricing plans of our software. Secure and reliable platform. Customizable to your needs. Contact 9437368484 www.kekiweb.com. Thank you.